into the heart of Australia as we explore the vibrant city of Sydney. Nestled on the southeastern coast of the island continent, Sydney serves as a gateway to the world down under. A city where cutting-edge architecture dances harmoniously with natural beauty. It is a place that's as lively as it is tranquil. A journey through Sydney's past reveals a rich tapestry of history. From its indigenous roots that date back over 50,000 years, to its time as a British colony and now as a global city, Sydney has always been a land of diverse cultures and stories. This city isn't just about stunning beaches and iconic landmarks like the Sydney Opera House. It's a place where the old and the new come together, creating a unique blend of experiences that are as diverse as its residents. Prepare to be mesmerized as we journey through the bustling streets and serene landscapes of Sydney. Step into the world of creativity and imagination in Sydney's thriving art scene. A vibrant tapestry of color, texture, and emotion, Sydney's art scene is as diverse as the city itself. From cutting-edge contemporary pieces to indigenous masterpieces that echo the ancient rhythms of this land, Sydney is a city that breathes art. Let's start with the Art Gallery of New South Wales, one of Australia's foremost cultural institutions. Here, you can lose yourself in 5 levels of art, exploring everything from European old masters to Asian antiquities, Australian Impressionism to contemporary works that push the boundaries of the medium. Then there's the Museum of Contemporary Art, a temple to the avant-garde located on the harbour side at Circular Quay. The MCA is a platform for artists who are not afraid to challenge, to question, to dream. But the art in Sydney isn't confined to galleries. It spills out onto the streets, transforming the city into a living canvas. Newtown, a suburb known for its vibrant street culture, is a kaleidoscope of street art, with murals, stencils, and graffiti transforming every corner into a creative playground. And let's not forget the artists themselves. Sydney has given birth to a multitude of internationally recognized artists. Artists like Ken Doan, whose vibrant childlike paintings capture the spirit of Sydney in bold strokes of color. Or Bronwyn Bancroft, an Indigenous artist whose works are a powerful expression of her culture and heritage. The art scene in Sydney isn't just about viewing. It's about participating, engaging, and interacting. From workshops and classes to art festivals like Sculpture by the Sea, Sydney invites you to roll up your sleeves and dive into the creative process. From modern art to Indigenous masterpieces, Sydney's art scene is a feast for the eyes. So whether you're an art aficionado or a casual observer, Sydney offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will captivate, challenge, and inspire you. Tantalize your taste buds with Sydney's diverse culinary delights. A city as vibrant as Sydney naturally boasts an equally vibrant food culture. From the bustling food markets to the high-end restaurants, the culinary scene in Sydney is as diverse as its people. With influences from Asia, Europe, and the indigenous Aboriginal culture, Sydney's food is a melting pot of flavors that promises an unforgettable gastronomic journey. Now, let's talk about the dishes that make Sydney a food lover's paradise. How can we not start with the iconic Australian meat pie? This flaky, buttery pastry filled with minced meat and gravy is a staple in Sydney. Then there's the barramundi, a native Australian fish, often grilled to perfection and served with a tangy lemon myrtle sauce. For the sweet tooths, don't miss out on the lamington, a delightful sponge cake coated in chocolate and dusted with desiccated coconut. Sydney is also a city of food festivals. Events like the Sydney Fish Market Seafood School, the Taste of Sydney, and the Night Noodle Markets offer locals and visitors alike a chance to sample a wide range of cuisines and dishes. From fresh seafood to tantalizing street food, these festivals are a testament to Sydney's love for food. And of course, we cannot discuss Sydney's food culture without highlighting its world-class seafood and wine. Sydney's location on the Pacific Ocean makes it a hub for fresh seafood. The Sydney Fish Market, the largest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere, offers a stunning array of fresh catches. From succulent prawns to tender octopus, it's a seafood lover's dream come true. Complementing the seafood is Sydney's thriving wine culture. The nearby Hunter Valley is one of Australia's premier wine regions, producing exceptional wines that are savoured around the world. Sydney's restaurants and bars offer a wide selection of these wines, making every meal a chance to discover a new favourite. In Sydney, every meal is an adventure waiting to unfold. Feel the adrenaline rush with Sydney's vibrant sports culture. Sydney, a city known for its iconic opera house, stunning beaches, and a diverse food scene, also boasts a thriving sports culture that is deeply woven into its social fabric. The city's love for sports is evident in its numerous sporting events, stadiums, and sports clubs that cater to a variety of interests. From cricket to rugby, and from soccer to surfing, Sydney has it all, providing both residents and visitors with a chance to immerse themselves in their favorite sports. The Sydney Cricket Ground, or SCG as it's fondly known, is one of the oldest and most prestigious sporting venues in Australia. It's not just a cricket ground, it's a testament to Sydney's rich sporting history. The roar of the crowd, the thrill of the game, and the sense of camaraderie are experiences that one should not miss. Then there's rugby, a sport close to the hearts of many Sydney-siders. The city is home to the New South Wales Waratahs, one of the teams in the Super Rugby League. The Waratahs games are a spectacle to behold, filled with raw energy and passionate fans. Football, or soccer as it's known in Australia, is also a popular sport in Sydney. Sydney FC, the city's main football club, has a strong following and is known for its exhilarating matches. But it's not all about traditional sports in Sydney. The city's beautiful beaches make it a hotspot for water sports. Surfing is particularly popular, and with some of the best surf spots in the world, it's easy to see why. Sydney also hosts a number of sporting events throughout the year, including the Sydney to Hobart Yacht Race, the City to Surf Fun Run, and the Australian Open of Surfing. These events draw large crowds and contribute to the city's vibrant sports culture. Whether you're a spectator or participant, Sydney's sports scene is sure to get your heart racing. Whether you're cheering from the stands, running on the beach, or riding the waves, Sydney is a city that celebrates sports in all its forms. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Sydney's culture. At the heart of Sydney's charm is its multicultural society. A melting pot of cultures from around the globe, Sydney is home to a diverse array of people who have brought their customs, traditions, and cuisines from their homelands, enriching the city with a unique blend of experiences. From the bustling streets of Chinatown, brimming with authentic Asian eateries, to the traditional Italian cafes in Leichhardt, known as Sydney's Little Italy, the city is a gastronomic journey around the world. Yet Sydney's cultural heritage is not only recent, the city is steeped in a rich indigenous history dating back over 60,000 years. From the traditional lands of the Eora Nation, the indigenous people of Sydney, to the Aboriginal rock carvings in Sydney Harbour National Park, the city is a living testament to its ancient roots. Music and dance are the lifeblood of Sydney's cultural scene. The city pulses with a vibrant array of festivals and live performances throughout the year. From the world-renowned Sydney Festival, which fills the city with music, theatre and dance every January, to the infectious beats of the Sydney Salsa Congress, there's always a reason to get your dancing shoes on. Local customs and traditions are also a significant part of Sydney's cultural richness. From the friendly G'day mate greeting and the Australian love for Barbie, the colloquial term for a barbecue, to the annual celebration of Australia Day with fireworks and festivities, Sydney's culture is as warm and inviting as its sunny climate. And let's not forget the city's thriving art scene. With an array of galleries showcasing works from both local and international artists, to the vibrant street art adorning the city's laneways, Sydney is a canvas that reflects its multicultural and creative spirit. Experience the cultural diversity that makes Sydney a vibrant and dynamic city. Bask in the sun on Sydney's stunning beaches. The beach culture here is as vibrant as the city itself. Sydney boasts a selection of over 100 beaches, each with its own unique charm. Bondi Beach, perhaps the most famous of them all, is a bustling hub where the city meets the sea. Here you can soak up the sun on golden sands, or take a dip in the turquoise waters. For those seeking a bit of action, Sydney's beaches offer an array of water activities. Try your hand at surfing, or perhaps paddleboarding is more your speed. With a coastline that stretches for miles, there's no shortage of waves to catch or calm bays to explore. But the beachside fun doesn't stop at the water's edge. Sydney's beaches are also home to a thriving food scene. Enjoy fresh seafood at a beachside cafe in Manly, or indulge in a gourmet picnic at the secluded Milk Beach with a view of the city skyline as your backdrop. And let's not forget about Sydney's stunning coastal walks. The Bondi to Coogee walk is a must-do, offering breathtaking views of cliffs, bays, and beaches. Along the way, you'll pass by charming beachside communities, each with its own unique vibe. From the northern beaches, known for their laid-back lifestyle and surf culture, to the eastern suburbs, where you'll find some of the city's most iconic beaches. There's truly something for everyone in Sydney's beach scene. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a water sports enthusiast, a foodie, or simply someone who enjoys a good walk with a view, Sydney's beaches have got you covered. So if you're looking for a place to relax, soak up the sun, and maybe even catch a wave or two, Sydney's beaches are the place to be. Not only will you enjoy the natural beauty of the coastline, but you'll also get a taste of Sydney's vibrant beach culture. Sydney's beaches offer a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Discover the tranquility and natural beauty in Sydney's parks. The city of Sydney is a remarkable blend of urban development and natural beauty, a canvas where concrete jungles and green spaces coexist in harmony. Its parks, botanical gardens, and nature reserves are a testament to this unique fusion, offering a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. One of the city's crowning jewels is the Royal Botanic Garden. It's not just a park, but a living gallery, a botanical theatre where Australia's unique flora takes centre stage. From towering eucalyptus to delicate orchids, the garden is a riot of colours and fragrances that encapsulate the essence of the Australian landscape. And then there's Centennial Park, an urban sanctuary where nature and history intertwine. Its grand avenues lined with towering fig trees are reminiscent of a time when horse-drawn carriages were the norm. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in nature's symphony, with the melodic calls of the native bellbirds providing the soundtrack. Sydney isn't just about the green though, it's also about the wild. The city's nature reserves are home to a diverse range of fauna. In places like the Lane Cove National Park, you can catch a glimpse of the elusive platypus, or watch the grey-headed flying foxes take to the skies at dusk. But perhaps the most enchanting of Sydney's natural offerings are the hidden pockets of wilderness that exist within the city itself. Places like the Chinese Garden of Friendship, a serene oasis in the heart of the city, where waterfalls and lotus ponds create a zen-like atmosphere, a far cry from the buzzing metropolis beyond its walls. Sydney's parks and gardens are more than mere green spaces. They're the lungs of the city, a testament to its commitment to preserving its natural heritage. They're places where you can connect with nature, where you can breathe, unwind, and momentarily forget about the world outside. In Sydney, you're never far from nature's embrace. Travel back in time at Sydney's museums and historical sites. Sydney, known for its stunning harbour and vibrant city life, also holds a treasure trove of history, preserved meticulously in its world-class museums and historical sites. Let's start our journey with the Australian Museum, the oldest museum in Australia. Here you'll find a wide array of exhibits, from Indigenous Australian artefacts to the natural history of the continent. The museum's collections are a testament to the country's rich biodiversity and the deep-rooted history of its Aboriginal people. Just a short stroll away, the Museum of Sydney sits on the site of the first government house. It tells the story of Sydney's development from a penal colony to a bustling metropolis. Its exhibits are a fascinating mix of artifacts, interactive displays, and multimedia presentations. Then we have the Hyde Park Barracks, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This iconic building, built in the 19th century, served as a convict dormitory, immigration depot, and even a hospital. Today, it stands as a poignant reminder of Australia's colonial past. For maritime enthusiasts, the Australian National Maritime Museum is a must-visit. It offers an insightful look into Australia's relationship with the sea, featuring everything from ancient navigation tools to full-sized ships. And let's not forget the Powerhouse Museum, a hub of science, technology, design, and decorative arts. It's a place where the past, present, and future collide, offering a unique perspective on the world around us. For those who love art, the Art Gallery of New South Wales houses an impressive collection of Australian, European, Asian, and contemporary art. Its grand neoclassical edifice is a work of art in itself. Finally, the Sydney Opera House, a marvel of modern architecture, is a historical site that needs no introduction. While it's known for its performances, the building's design and construction story is a tale worth exploring. Our journey concludes, but the exploration never ends. Sydney's history is not just preserved, it's alive and well. Each monument, each artifact, and each exhibit is a page from the city's past, inviting you to delve deeper into the fascinating tale that is Sydney. Our journey through Sydney's rich tapestry comes to a close. We've explored the city's thriving art scene, brimming with creativity and innovation. We've savored Sydney's culinary delights, an eclectic mix of tastes that mirror the city's multicultural fabric. We've cheered on at the vibrant sports culture, a testament to the city's passion for fitness and competition. We've immersed ourselves in Sydney's rich culture, a harmonious blend of traditions and modernity. We've basked in the sun on Sydney's breathtaking beaches, a paradise for sun lovers and surfers alike. We've strolled through the city's parks, their natural beauty a tranquil escape from urban life. We've stepped back in time at Sydney's museums and historical sites, each telling a unique story of the city's past. In every corner of Sydney, there's something for everyone, a city that truly embodies a vibrant lifestyle and diverse offerings. So why wait? Plan your trip and experience the magic of Sydney for yourself. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. Which part of Sydney fascinated you the most? Is there a hidden gem you think we missed? Leave a comment below. We always appreciate your insights and suggestions. And if you enjoyed this journey through Sydney, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. By hitting that notification bell, you'll be the first to travel with us to new destinations, experience diverse cultures, and explore the world from the comfort of your home. We post new videos regularly, so stay tuned for our next adventure. Remember, every like, share, and comment helps us bring you more content. So come on, join our community of explorers and let's discover the world together.